All right, here we go. A few more videos. Sunday, January 31st. Look at some airlines. LUV. This is Southwest. And this has made a big run too. Analysts have lowered their expectations for Southwest Airlines after their latest results. Let's see where we're at in this trend line chart here. So let me take this out, take these lines out, see where we're at now. So you can see the big move down here. Yeah, this was at 58, put in a low to 22, bounced in June, pulled back, had a double top, almost triple top. This broke over 42, got to near 50, and we're pulling back now. Longer term trend line, sort of a trend line right here. You see this, but it broke a few times. This doesn't have, exactly touching points. So, but I'm going to go with that August move. And then right there, that June move, and you get to, right here. So to me, this looks like a big rising wedge, doesn't it? You put the high again. See these big candles? Because they're the highest candles in this trend line. Then we tried to bounce, then we didn't make it, now we're here. Now this line, yeah, it's not perfect. Doesn't equal out. Nothing matches perfectly, but we're getting oversold here. This is at an 895. 44, you want to hold. If this doesn't hold on 44, look for the next line here, 43, and this 42 is very big on this. So look for that if the market continues to go down. If we bounce, 46, back up, we're looking to break that 48 again. 48 is a big level in this. So LUV, you can see how the width of the move, see, here's your top of your trend line, down, another trend line, down. So this is how this is forming from point to point. So, we'll see how this works out. And put in right from here your Fibonacci retracement. All the way to the low here. Let me see here. So, see 100%, 61, all the way down to retracement level. Then this came back 23. Your 50% retracement is like 41. Yeah, this came back to the 61 retracement level, all the way back up. So, this is high up. This has made a nice run. So we'll see what it does here. You have a few different areas here if this continues to drop. All right, here's UAL. United Airlines Holdings. I get a million lines here. Let's take these out. Take this out. Do have a trend line down here. Take that out for now. Excuse me. Let's go with the cross trend line right here. Trying to equal these out. You can see right here the high points. And right here, see the March low, this double bottom. So using May. So this had a move here. Let's put in a Fibonacci retracement. So where did this top out at? See the back and forth. Like the last move before we fell. I guess it's 90 level. Right here, see that? The reason I'm using that because, this dropped and bounced again, or I could use it lower. I could use it right before the last drop, which would be, what's this, like 80, 82-ish? Right here. Trying to get it on that line. Let me move it over here. So you want to use it before the last major drop. Or the last, not the major drop, the last major move before the drop. See this? I mean, it dropped here, it bounced. So, and then right on that low. So this was the last move before it dropped. You know, up here, see then the bounce. I'm looking for the last major move. So we'll see if this works. See, this comes on that 50 line. It's pretty good. I like that. All right, this bounced to June. Big move. Back to your 50% retracement. Sideways for months, like 5 months. Bounced again December. And now we're back here. See this trend line? The ultimate trend line. May, November. Actually bring this closer. Let me bring this back here. See this touching? Say back and forth, back and forth. And now we're very oversold here. This has to hold this trend line. If this doesn't hold, that you're going back to this 35-ish. This could go right through. Yeah, I'm trying to look for lines here. What's the line here? About 39. About 35. Could fall to 23% fibs if this really continues to fall. This all depending on the market too. How far the market pulls back. Yeah, this is a big pullback from December. This was already pulling back. The market has been more recent pullback. So yeah, if we bounce here, give a double top almost. This 50% retracement level, rated 50 too. So, you know, longer term, still like this, United. You know, it's in a downtrend. This could be a good buy. Just depends, you know, how much lower it's going. Here's AAL. Let's take this line out. Actually, we'll keep that line. Let's go to cross line, which is at June, right here. And this is right at 21. All right, now you see this? This had the big drop also. Let's put in the retracement level. What's the last move on this? Right here. That green candle. And you come down. All right, so this is the last move before the drop. It was about 31. You come all the way down here. Look at this one. This was a different move. And really, this bottomed in May, which was odd. This bounced all the way up to 21, bounced back. Then you had a back and forth between 14 and 11, bounced up to 18. And this one, I think this is part of Wall Street Bets. I think they were a part of this. They got into this. I'm not positive though, but I believe. So what you have here, see this trend line now from all the way to here to here. So that's an important trend line too. And then you go here to here. So take all this out, trying to make it easy to see. So you have a big bounce, June, sideways, went down. Another bounce was lower. This bounce is almost double top. Right here, this double top. Ultimate trend lines here. This could fall back to 12 if the market really falls. That's a big bearish candle after that failed move up. You'd like to see 16 hold or 15. That's very important. We could still bounce from here. Right at your 1320 EMA too. And for this has to get over 21 now. That's the mark here. You have a double top. You'd like to see in all these too. See this? Move up, sideways, move up. You want this to go right down here. That'd be a great buy. You've had really great buys at 1, 2. You could say here too, but it didn't really move after the move down from here. So you're looking for strong long-term buys for a swing. That would be the place. And you see, you draw this line. This is a long-term resistance line because you go all the way back from 2018 and 2019. You see this channel it's in. This breaks above that. It's a strong move, and probably all the airlines will be moving. So, all right, that's it. Little look at the airlines. This is where we're at right now. Please subscribe to Mike Cayman Trades. Hit smash the like button. Trade ideas referral. My link. Twitter Mike Frank 007. TikTok Mike Frank III. Instagram Mike Frank 98. Stock Twits Mike Cayman Trades. That's it for this video. Peace.